गॉड वंडर स्कूल की स्टूडेंट हूँ। 10th क्लास में मेरे 99.2% आए हैं एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। और ट्रिब्यून ने हमें यहाँ फैसिलिटेट किया है, सो आई एम वेरी it's a very nice opportunity for all the people who have scored and secured a lot of marks. And मेरे हिसाब से it was a very good exposure for me. आप यहाँ पे बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़, बहुत अच्छे कॉलेजेस और बहुत अच्छे करियर काउंसलर से भी मिल सकते हैं. So it was a very nice opportunity.
From DPS Chandigarh. I have scored 94.6% and I'm very happy to be here and to be honored by these certificates and gifts. I feel like my hard work really paid off and thanks to Tribune for organizing this event. बच्चों के लिए ये मैसेज है कि study hard and focus on your boards but don't take them so seriously. Marks are important but not that important. Also सब चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना है, not only studies.
And I have studied my 10th class from the Holy Mary School, Banur, and I have secured 92% in my board exam. The experience in the Tribune function was really good, and each and every facility is been provided here. Even your future goals are also even understood here, and you come to know about many more opportunities, and you also explore many more opportunities. And I really like the event. And our Education Minister of Punjab has also gifted us the gifts, and I really like it.
So I have got 94.4 in my 10th standard and currently I'm in 11th grade. So I have just came here today and my experience was really good. So the counselors are very good and they have taught me very well that what should I do for my future. And thanks for the certificate and the gift. And first of all I would thank to my parents and my teachers and the Tribune also. So yeah, thanks a lot.
Studying from Banur Holy Mary School and I have got 90.6% and I was here invited and I felt very good, like I got this much and I was encouraged by this. I hope my now future will also be bright like this and I hope it will be very nice.
What do you think about that event?
This event was very good, it helped me to encourage. I felt so good they give this much.
I have appeared for 12th CBSE examination and I have scored an aggregate percentage of 91.20 and it was really honored for me to get facilitated from Tribune. This little piece of paper means a lot. It boasts my self morale, my self esteem, my courage and will force me to do better in my future. And yeah, I really feel very good to come here to know to the EXO hub to get to get the information about the other colleges, their courses. It was really nice experience, and I would like to thank Tribune for arranging this all and facilitating me. Thank you.
I'm from Holy Mary School and I scored 93% in my board exams. And the experience of this Tribune EduPost was so pleasant and all the staff was so cooperating and they also explained us about many more career opportunities and the way of guiding was so good. Here the Education Minister Harjot Singh Banst arrived and he provided us a gift and certificate. The way they explained us about the career opportunities and the way they guided, it was so good.
And I got 90.6% in my class 10 board exams. I have completed my class 10 from Holy Mary School, Banur. I am very happy with my such a good result. I am very happy with my such a good result. I thank to my parents and all my teachers who supported me till the journey of my class 10.
It was a very wonderful experience. बहुत अच्छा लगा. काफ़ी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आई हुई हैं और हमें यहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ जानने को मिला. सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ अपने बारे में हमें बता रही है और हमें पता लग रहा है कि कहाँ पे कैसे होता है. जैसे मैंने MIT यूनिवर्सिटी भी मैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए खड़ा था, वो लॉ के बारे में हमें बता रहे थे और काफ़ी सारी ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं जो हमें बहुत कुछ बता रही हैं एंड इट वाज वेरी गुड हेयर. आई गेस हाँ, इससे हमें बहुत बेनिफिट मिलता है. जैसे कि मतलब हमें नई जानकारी मिलती है यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के बारे में. जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जिनको पता ही नहीं होता कि हमें आगे कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना है या कैसे आगे करना है हमें. तो ऐसे एक्सपो करके इट इज़ अ वंडरफुल इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय द ट्रिब्यून ट्रस्ट. सो आई फील येस इट इज़ गुड.
It is a good experience here. It tells about us about there are so many opportunities for a person to go at any university. They are literally like kind and humble. They can tell us that there is no limitation of our studies, and more than we know, the less we know. And I think so. Every person should visit once in a lifetime in this expo. Like it is a perfect and phenomenal time for us also. And it is like having a bonding with friends and studies. I am sure that some of the people do not like studies, but if they interact to others, they know they want to have some favor or like a hobby to be make study, and without study there's nothing. A lot of people do not think that study doesn't matter, and they can't success on anything. I think so the expo should be like twice a year also, because some people also know that how you should take a university, how to make a better decision, and how to use your time and money on better things to do in this expo.
मतलब जैसे +2 के बाद हम कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि कहाँ पे जाना है, कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना है। तो जैसे यहाँ इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देखे, चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी, चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी, तो इन सब ने हमें गाइड किया कि कहाँ क्या मतलब कौन सी चीज़ बेटर है। तो मतलब सिंपल बात ये है कि हमें थोड़ी वैरायटी पता है, हमें नॉलेज होगी कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में हमें 12th के बाद जाना चाहिए। अभी हम अगर बाय आर ओन जाएंगे जैसे व्हीकल वगैरह में, तो टाइम भी लगेगा और बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा। मतलब पहले एक यूनिवर्सिटी में जाएंगे फिर दूसरी में, जैसे इधर सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, तो हमें इसमें हेल्प मिलती है कि हम अलग अलग स्टॉल पे जाके अलग अलग यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के बारे में नॉलेज ले सकें कि कौन सी हमारे लिए बेस्ट है।
आपने कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में देखा है, आपको लगा कि
मैंने चितकारा भी देखी, वो भी अच्छी थी, अमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी भी अच्छी है। तो मैं तो इन दोनों का ही प्लान कर रहा हूँ कि +1 +2 में बहुत कन्फ्यूजन होती है कि करियर को लेके कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना, तो ये एक्सपोज वगैरह बहुत हेल्प करते हैं।
बहुत चंगा लग रहा है। मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ ट्रिब्यून ग्रुप का फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी हियर, फॉर हैविंग मी हियर एट दिस एजुकेशन एक्सपो। ਇੱਥੇ ਅੱਜ 25 ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 90% ਉੱਤੇ ਸਕੋਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਵਾਰਡ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ ਹੈ। ਪਲੱਸ ਅੰਡਰ ਵਨ ਰੂਫ all the leading universities of the region are present. It's good to have Chitkara, Chandigarh University, Chandigarh group of colleges, MIT, so many of the universities, so many outside of the state universities under one roof, so that our children can have right guidance and they can choose right career path. It's a very good initiative of Tribune. Every year they do this, and I'm lucky that being part of it. Thank you.
Do you think that actually it is a event expo और पंजाब पे और
it is the need of the present era. You know, there are so many colleges, so many options, so many future options, so many trades, so many courses, right counseling, right expos, where all universities come, display their courses, display about their placements, display about their campuses, you know, what kind of curriculum. It is must.